Are you tired of living life inside a bubble? Do you find yourself longing for adventure, excitement, and new experiences? Well, my friend, it's time to break free from your comfort zone and embark on a journey that will change your life forever. Welcome to a world where possibilities are endless, where dreams become reality, and where stepping outside your comfort zone is the first step towards discovering the extraordinary. Today, we're going to talk about travel and how it can transform your life. Traveling isn't just about going to exotic locations or collecting passport stamps. It's about challenging yourself, embracing the unknown, and expanding your horizons. It's a personal journey of self-discovery and growth. When you step outside your comfort zone, you give yourself the opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to thrive. It's in those moments of uncertainty that you truly discover who you are and what you're capable of. Traveling pushes you beyond your limits and opens doors to endless possibilities. You'll meet people from different backgrounds, hear stories that will touch your heart, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Every journey you take will teach you something new, whether it's about the world, about others, or about yourself. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I'm afraid. What if things go wrong? Well, let me tell you this. Fear is natural, but it shouldn't hold you back. It's in those moments of fear that you have the greatest potential for personal growth. Remember, growth happens outside your comfort zone. When you face your fears head-on, you become stronger, more resilient, and more confident. You start realizing that you're capable of so much more than you ever imagined. Traveling also allows you to witness the beauty of our world. From majestic mountains to pristine beaches, from bustling cities to serene countryside, there's so much out there waiting to be explored. The world is your playground, and it's up to you to go out and experience it. So, my friends, I urge you to take that first step. Break free from your comfort zone and embrace the adventure that awaits you. Say yes to new experiences. Immerse yourself in different cultures and let the world become your teacher. In this vast world, there's a whole universe of experiences just waiting for you. So pack your bags, book that ticket, and let the journey begin. Remember, life is too short to live in a comfort zone.